our machine now is stopped. So in foreign time, I want to introduce how we produce tubes, step by step, one by one.
Okay,
the
let's
steps.
go on.
Yeah. So here the machine, we stand up the machine is for
first machine is the extraction, right?
Yeah, extrusion tubes machine.
Yes,
this is for one layer. One layer, so with only one oven for this tube. But now this tube, the machine is standby. We just need more orders come here. And
the second one is two layer.
With all the molding, we have all kind of molding. Yeah, this is two layers. Two layers machine for extrude, also extrusion for tubes, right? So two layers also is standby here, but we need more orders come to our factory.
Orders come here,
that's right. So we can have more and more.
Yes, we are ready.
That's right. Capacity waiting for more orders come to us. So you see, this machine is for 5 layer. We call it complex tubes, 5 layer tubes here. So with the raw materials, will be 1, 2, 3, 4, with different materials that come together and with different layer. So you can see our work is still now it's working for this raw materials.
Raw materials. And
all the raw materials is seed from import from Mid East on this materials. Okay, and there'll be ironing here. This is for cooling down. So after the melting together all the materials, layer by layer, 5 layer, and the cooling down here come to the tubes here. Yeah. Now we're working for 35 diameter tubes.
35 diameter.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah. So this is the tube now we're working. This is the first step. This is the first step. We only extrude the tubes.
Yeah.
So you can see from this, you can see two sides is the whole entrance here. This is the first step. We produce the tubes.
Okay. So what's the capacity of the tube for this machine?
Capacity,
only for this,
right?
The capacity.
Yeah, for this machine now one day. Now we can 24 hours working, 2 shifts. One non-stop, but our engineer will shift change, right? So we can produce 70,000 pieces one shift. So totally one day we can 140,000 pieces per one day, one machine. We have 3 machines. For 1 month we can produce 5 million, more than 5 million. So we wait for more orders come to us. So that's why we waiting for more orders. Yeah. So this machine and our engineer will checking every 1 hour for they'll match with the checking with the size data and the size.
Yes, and the color. Maybe.
The color, yes, because we can produce many different colors, right?
Yeah. If the parts are not okay, we will put it in that red.
That's right.
Box,
they will check.
right?
They will adjust in the machine. They will adjust the data immediately to control. If they found there's some rejects, they will move it out.
That's
so,
what we do for the quality control.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. So this is very important for the quality control here.
That's what our customers are very careful, right?
Yeah, of course. We have very careful with our clients for the machine.